Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ford F-150 Supercrew Limited. And that is just purring, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Those LEDs don't flicker to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. They look just normal to the human eye. You see that it does have fog lights and tow hooks up front, alloy wheels, power deploying running boards, power sliding back window, tailgate step, which we'll go ahead and put down. Bedliner, dual exhaust, you do have a two-tone pinhole leather interior. See, it does have heated seats in the rear and dual panoramic sunroofs. Here's your keypad. I use mine in my F-150 all the time. There are 3 driver presets. There's a shot of your VIN right there. Illuminated kick plates. Okay, we'll go ahead and turn this down so you can hear me better. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 37,903 miles on this vehicle. Here's your push to talk, your cruise control, your stereo controls, push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive, trailering controls. And then you'll see that you do have both cooled and heated front seats. And in here you have 2 USB ports and a charging station. Ford Select shift, there's your shifter, your key fob, cup holders, additional stowage and power supplies down in there. As you come up here, you're going to see that you do have a 110 up here, and you do have navigation. Here are your climate controls. This also has AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You can see that backup camera. Pop it in reverse. There's your HD backup camera. Then you also have 360-degree cameras. If you come up above, you're going to have your controls for your rear window and for your sunroofs, and your glasses holder, map reading lights. This one also does have a blind spot monitor, which is super nice in a truck. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact up here, up front, that affected the driver's front quarter panel and the passenger's front quarter panel. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage. So we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.